So guys, in this session we are going to discuss about the identify the Linux troubleshooting methodology. Generally troubleshooting is not just a small part in a Linux, there is a very big part, because troubleshooting related the different services related to the boot, related to other type of the available. Okay, so lots of the options are can be used to getting the solution of the Linux. But yes, of course, you will first you will identify the problems. Where is the problems? So you will go on the surface or by the end user, check out about the log files, which type of the log files has been generated. So you will get some clue why this problem is there. Monitoring software, if there any monitoring software exists, so it can be used for identify the problem. And indicators, server indicators and their lights. And also you can track by the ticketing system, means whenever the problem is there, so there is a previously solved problem already exists in the form of the ticketing system, where you can track if the problem exists in a previously, so you can follow the instruction and solve the problem. Another is a once you will identify the problem, you will determine the scopes where you will gather the more information, replicate, backup, escalate. If exists, then you can solve out problem with doing the replication or the backup. Ask the question to the users and test the theory. Theory means you will generate a theory. The problem may be the problem 1. And either you can understand the problem 2, either there is a possibilities of the problem 3. So you will test your theory problem first. If the problem is resolved, your first theory is okay. If not resolved, then you go on the second theory, then you will go on the third theory, and so on. You will test all your theories, and later on you will disapproved which theory will not work. It will be disapproved by you. Later you can establish a plan of the actions how to avoid the loss of the services and notify the end user when till this problem will be shot out, and implement the solution. So once you will find out any type of the solution, you will have to implement those solution. Whatever the type of the change is required, you will do the changes at the time and escalate when it needed in a future as well. So you will have to write the documentation. First you will verify the baseline already the lowest performance of any computer, like at the starting of the time the computer is established, and it have some specific performance. When you complete your solution, then you will identify the performance is similar or not, and update the configuration is required and implement the new technologies. Analyze what was the cause of the problem on the first place, then write the documentation what you have done and what you have findings, what was the findings and how to troubleshoot and what was the troubleshooting process. All things you will have to written inside a document. So in the future the same document can be used.